New Jersey governor candidates responded to drone sightings. New Jersey gubernatorial candidates offered various reactions to the mysterious drone sightings over the Garden State and why it matters. Recent drone sightings across New Jersey and other eastern states have sparked concerns, as little information about what they may be has been made public. This has been going on for almost a month, since November 18, on a daily, nightly basis. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, assured Americans in a statement last Thursday that there was no evidence that the sightings pose a public safety or security threat or have a foreign origin. The sightings come as the race to replace New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy is 11 months out. The sightings present an opportunity for both Democrats and Republican candidates to show how they might lead the state in a potential crisis. Historically, whichever party is not holding the presidency does well in New Jersey's gubernatorial elections, giving Democrats optimism about holding the office next year. But the state shifted to the right in this year's elections, with President-elect Donald Trump losing it by only 6 percentage points. And what to know? Both Democrats and Republicans running in New Jersey's governor race have commented on these mystery drones. In a statement on Monday, Representative Mickey Sherrill, a Democrat who has led early primary polls, released a drone plan of action, quote unquote, to locate and track drones flying over the state, increase information available to police, and increase communications about the drones with Garden State residents. She wrote that she is incredibly frustrated with the lack of coordination and communications from agencies amid the sightings. She said, right now our leaders need to be acting in accordance with a unified plan and speaking with one voice in order to protect our national security, keep New Jerseyans safe, and ensure state and local authorities have the information and tools they need to take action. Last week, Representative Josh Gottheimer, another Democrat running for governor, urged the FBI and DHS to allow state and local law enforcement to take down the drones safely. New Jersey cannot become the Wild West for drone activity, and Americans should not have to worry about what's flying overhead, especially as technology like AI advances at an unprecedented clip, he said in a statement. He also told reporters on Monday that the state needs a proper system to track the activity, as residents should not have to worry about what's overhead. Jack Ciattarelli, Republican leading early primary polls, told Fox News last week that he was very, very fearful that somebody could take matters into their own hands. You can't tell me, with the resources we have available to us in New Jersey, McGuire Air Force Base, Fort Dix, Coast Guard, International Guard, the most well-equipped police force in the country, that we cannot get answers. This is ridiculous, he said, criticizing Murphy in the White House for taking what he viewed as a laissez-faire approach to these drones. Now, what people are saying, others have also responded to the drone sightings. Governor Phil Murphy on X said, tonight I met with NJSP officials and radar technicians at the Regional Operations and Intelligence Center who are surveying the area of unmanned aircraft systems. The public deserves clear answers. We will keep pushing the federal government for more information and resources, he said. President-elect Donald Trump, during a press conference, said the government knows what's happening, our military knows where they took off from, and if it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. For some reason, they don't want to comment. I think they'll be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows. This is what Donald Trump said. The FBI previously told Newsweek, the FBI is aware of the reported sightings of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly referred to as drones, observed flying in multiple locations over the past several weeks. The FBI remains engaged with our federal, state, local, and tribal partners to share information and protect the public. New York Governor Kathy Hochul, in a statement, said, in response to my calls for additional resources, our federal partners are deploying a state-of-the-art drone detection system to New York State. And what happens next? Pressure for officials to disclose more information about the drones is expected to continue over the coming days, while speculation about where the drones are coming from may continue growing in the absence of definitive information. Federal law enforcement has maintained that the drones do not pose a threat to the public, even though they don't know who's behind them or why. This is from Newsweek on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.